Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field.
Good morning, friends. I hope you're doing really well. I am so excited about today's video. Today's video is all about Tater. It's actually his birthday and we will be celebrating. He just turned 2 years old and we are so excited. Come here, Tater. So yeah, he just turned 2 years old and he is growing up so fast, so we are so excited. Are you excited, Tater? It's your birthday. Happy birthday. For you guys that are new to my channel, so this is my Tater doodle. He is a mini golden doodle. He was born on July 21st, 2019. We actually got him 2019 of October and he was so cute and really tiny. And now that he's turning 2 years old, it's really complete shock that he's actually growing so fast. We just love you so much, Tater. So I think it's really cool that we'll be filming another year of his birthday. So in today's video, we'll be baking a doggy-friendly cake that he dearly loves, and I am so excited to actually film this again. So I will make sure I link that down below. It's a doggy friendly cake and he really loves it. It's really clean ingredients, great for dogs. I'll make sure I link the blog of this cake. So if you guys do have a furry baby, if you guys want to cook them a doggy friendly cake, and I'll make sure I link that down below. So yeah, and then after that we're just going to decorate the balcony and have all the balloons out, bake his cake, and just spend quality time with him. And we are so excited to spend the rest of the day with you guys. Are you excited, Peter? I'm gonna head into the kitchen and bake this cake for him. And after that, we're just going to decorate the balcony and have it nice and cute. And yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go, Tater. Are you excited, Tater? It's your birthday. Are you excited? Just turned 2 years old. So I'm gonna quickly organize the kitchen and see what I need to have out so I can easily have access to everything and have it cooked and ready for him to eat. This is called the spoiled dog cake recipe. I will make sure I link this down below. Of course, it looks really cute and really fun to make, so it's not that bad. So the prep is only 5 minutes, cook time is 25, and then total time is 30. So the ingredients is really simple and easy, but of course you want to make sure that everything that you're buying for your dog to be really safe for them, so it won't harm them or any way. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on it. So now I'm gonna go pop this in the oven. So I did preheat the oven for about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I will get started on the frosting. Okay, be nice to us. It's so funny him watching me cook his cake. Tater, are you excited to eat your cake?
Look, he is so excited. Wanna go outside? Oh, you're eating your ice. Okay. You just love to snack on ice. You love ice. It was really cloudy early this morning. Looking like it's bright and sunny. And Tater just snacking on his ice. And I'm actually using the 100% pure pumpkin. So this is the great for a dog to eat. So you want to stick with the 100% pure pumpkin. So I have to wait for my other pan to cook that's in the oven, because I really thought I had 2 pans, but I guess I just have 1, so I'm just gonna wait for that one to be finished. It's about like 2 more minutes left until the other round cake will be done, and then I'm gonna pop these in the oven. Okay, let's see how it turned out. I mean, it looks good and it smells good. It looks really good and it smells really good. So I'm going to remove this and place it on a rack so it can cool off, and then I will do the second round of the round cake. So right when this is done cooling down, I'm gonna pop this in the oven so I can get started on this, and then we will have the frosting ready and the cake ready to go. Okay, be nice to us. Everything is in here from last year. With the birthday sign. I have to get started on blowing up this balloon. I'm not gonna blow a lot of balloons, just a few of them. I actually got everything here from Dollar Tree. So this is the happy birthday sign, and then we have the number 2 balloon with some balloons, and then with the air balloon. And then this is for the birthday number 2 with a cute birthday hat. And then I'm gonna use this push pin to place these birthday signs. I'm just gonna place it right here, just gonna stay on there. Tater is sniffing everything. So I'm gonna get started on it and have it ready for him. In time, the phone just rang. It looks really nice. I'm gonna have this cool down for an hour, and then I'm gonna place the frosting, and then we should serve this for Tater.
It's just like the one from last year. It looks so nice. So I'm gonna go outside and have him try it and see if he does remember it, and I'm sure he's going to love it. So I actually see a lot of people on TikTok, they do this kind of treat for their dog. It's just plain Greek yogurt with peanut butter and some blueberry. This is a great treat for them. So I like to just add the blueberries and then freeze them the next day, and then he just loves to snack on these. So I like to give that to him throughout the day. It's like a little treat for them. I just pop this in the freezer. I'm sure he really loves it. Toys. Are you ready to play with them? Tater, are you ready to play with your new toys? Oh gosh, you're really excited. You're being a good boy. Try them out. Do you love them? Happy birthday. That's your birthday gift. And the cake that I made for you.
Human beings and not just pieces in a puzzle we can read.
So much fun filming this video. I'm so happy that we got to spend time with Tater. Tater, are you happy that you got to eat your cake? You ate so much of it. Well guys, I'm so happy that you guys got to spend time with us. Now I have to put all of these stuff away, and I need to go take him outside because that was a lot of cake that he just ate. And I am so happy I got to spend the rest of the time with you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Until next time, friends, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!